3, 2, 1.
How many layers of phospholipids does the cell membrane contain? The answer is A, 2. How will you perform in school? The answer is B. I think I am going to struggle in school. What year was the Charlestown Library Society unestablished? The answer is D. 1748. How many clans is Liberia divided into? The answer is D. 90. When was the Water Tribunal declared a cultural heritage of humanity? The answer is B. 2009. What is petrology the study of? The answer is A. Rocks and the conditions by which they form. Why don't you wish in one hand and S*** T in the other? See which one fills up first is a line from which movie? The answer is C. Bad Santa. What changed my mind about the record? The answer is A. I heard it live. On which TV show were two of the characters called Matthew and Galen? The answer is C. Gunsmoke. What rank did it? The answer is D. 8. In what year was a bridge proposed between County Antrim in Northern Ireland to Galloway, Scotland? The answer is A. 2007. How old may I be right now? The answer is D. 18. Why did they stay at the Hampton Inn on the beach? The answer is B. Because they thought they would enjoy it there. Why does he want to see Get Smart? The answer is D. He can go for free with the pass he received. Kyphosis, lordosis, and scoliosis are all diseases involving improper curvature of which bodily structure which is supposed to be curved in a certain way anyway. The answer is D. Spine. A person sets a plate onto a table. A person pours dressing into a bowl. What happens next? The answer is C. Stir the food in the bowl on the table. What do we call the temperature at which a substance melts? The answer is A. Melting point. Why did the finally figure it out at 1:30 a.m.? The answer is A. Smoke filled the room. In which year did Martin Luther King Jr. give a speech in Detroit? The answer is D. 1963. In what Arab country did the Sangak bread variety originate? The answer is B, Iran. How many countries are represented by the investors and developers of the SETS? The answer is A, 20. What is the second quest in the first chapter of the computer game Diablo Roman 2? The answer is D, Sisters' Burial Grounds. Which tool is best used to observe a soil sample? The answer is C, hand lens. When was Spanish takeover of Louisiana Territory complete? The answer is D, 1769. What are a class of biochemical compounds that living things use to store energy? The answer is A, lipids. Scrub hard bathroom stains. How would you do this? The answer is A, mount a scrub to a power drill. Why would readers be excited about George Perez's work? The answer is C, he is making a big return. According to the American Kennel Club, what is the most popular breed of dog in the U.S. as of 1999? The answer is D, Labrador Retriever. Trick kids into eating fruit. How would you do this? The answer is A, cut apples into French fry shape. When did Apollo Soyuz fly? The answer is A, 1975. Chemical formulas for ionic compounds are called what? The answer is B, ionic formulas. Why did David and Donna break it up at the beginning of Season 8 of the teen TV show Beverly Hills 90210? The answer is B, David was forging her checks and stealing money. What makes up most of the interior of a plant? The answer is D, ground tissue. In Scrabble, how many points is the letter K worth? The answer is B, 5. In what year did the Goldwater-Nichols Act take place? The answer is B, 1986. When did the abbreviation CDMX begin to take hold? The answer is C, 2013. In what year did Brazil become independent from Portugal? The answer is A, 1822. When did the USA officially enter World War Roman II? The answer is D, 1941. How many television series starring Bill Cosby in the period 1967-2007 have his name or part of his name in the title? The answer is C, 7. What year did experimental broadcasts of Somali national television begin? The answer is A, 2011. When did the Charlottetown Act go into effect? The answer is C, 1999. What may happen after attending the fair? The answer is B, make lots of memories. In which way are evaporation and condensation similar? The answer is D, both are caused by changes in heat energy. A lady squats outside washing clothes in a bucket. The lady, what happens next? The answer is D, looks at the camera and smiles. What is the first movie directed by Sylvester Stallone, in which he also starred as Cosmo Carboni? The answer is C, Paradise Alley. How do you lose something? How would you do this? The answer is A, remember where it is. In what year did Napoleon attempt to resume peace talks? The answer is C, 1814. Hello, how would you do this? The answer is A, smothers French fries. What will you do after Maggie came up? The answer is D, I will end up going to bed. In what year did Tony Blair become leader of the Labour Party?